Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing February STL 2024 Part 4. Um, I hope you guys do enjoy it. We're looking at D&D, Warhammer, figures, STL files for the Patreon. If there's a Patreon I have not recently, you guys didn't see and stuff, leave down in the comments. I'll check them out. And we'll might see them in the next video. Who knows? Well, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. Let's get started. Man, I love figures. This is a figure with all the amalgamation of anime, video games, and D&D and stuff with big boobs. And we got Clacktrap right there. So, we got Term 8 going on. But I do not know. So, it is what? Are Ruby and Supergirl. And there's that. Index. We're not going to look too much of this. I'll leave a link down for you guys. I will have all the link down when you see down. If you're interested in it, go take a look for it. We have a lot of Patreons to look through in a short amount of month. So I am going to try to get this done by the end of the month, all of it, but we have a lot. So we have Flesh of Gods. If you're into Dark Souls type of miniatures or a very dark, grim miniature, Flesh of God is pretty good as well. We got some, it's supposed to be an orc or a bugbear, probably a hobgoblin. But these is your heroes and your NPCs that we have. Um, Elemental Blacksmith. That's actually pretty interesting. You have your diorama. Last month we had a diorama. We have diorama for this month with Goblin. Try to take a meditated hobgoblin. We have medium and small enemies. We got rabid goblins, Gormosh the blooded, Gorgul, Grinish. So we have a lot of orcs and dragonborns and goblins. Looks like it. We have a goblin shadow, goblin cat. Large and huge monsters. We got three-headed aberration, salamander, blazing behemoth, hellflame wyvern, and a fire giant. And you have your we have a Tarask this time. That is some chunky looking Tarask. Looks pretty damn cool. I gave my old Tarask away, but I don't mind printing a new Tarask. And your bust. And your throwbacks for the month as well. Next is White Werewolf Tavern. I don't know if they have their actual, that's January, but we have the previews of it. I think they're doing Greece this time. Yeah, Hera, the gods, Athena, uh, Hitar. I'm just gonna look at it. So we have Atlas. So we gotta have Greek gods. Looks like it. Hecrotonius. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, really bad, but that'll be February release. I'll have a link down for you guys to have a look out for them as well. Non figures, very good figures for like $10. I think this month we have Fearin. I haven't watched his anime yet, so I heard it's pretty good. Skull Knight, Asterion, No Face, Us, and this is your bonus you can get for this month if you want to. So I see one for Jujutsu Kaisen and stuff. So we got Us, already being released. But it'll look like that. From Baldur's Gate, we have Gojo as well. See here, Neko Warrior has been released. But yeah, more and more figures will be released that they are going to have for this month. Go check them out. Other one is OXO3D printing. For this month, they should have a list of stuff. If I can find it. Here we go. February release. We have the Sisters of Battle, Van Helsing, and Jinx for this month. And I think they did finish some of the stuff up already. This is the Sisters of Battle. Looks pretty damn good. Uh, for this month, for this February. I already got this for last month though. But check them out, Station Forge. For the beginning, like I said, for Station Forge in the past previous video, there are going to be a lot coming throughout the whole month. So what you see is it's not what they're going to have right now. They're going to add more and more and more. So I wish you check the link out time to time, and they'll have more stuff for you guys to see. I'm trying to figure out Station Forge. So it looks like we're going to have terrains and some infantries as well. That's actually pretty cool for the board game for it. And we got Nurgle as well. The 3-part of the great. Forgot. I have the actual figure, and I forgot the. I know they're great demons. I have the Nurgle ones, but you can actually have 3 different types of the heads, I believe. This one is the rot. I forgot. Man, I haven't played Nurgles in a while, but yeah, this is actually pretty good to have for your proxy Nurgle army. Because, you get the one box, unless you know how to magnetize a whole bunch of part of the body and work around with it, and it's a different story. Hell Creator, another figure as well. So we have, forgot this guy, the gnome. That goes, what was that, halfling? That goes around and singing about his junk. That'll be part of the Valentine's Day, I think. And Mithuran, if I'm butchering the names, I am butchering the names. So this is from Baldur's Gate 3. She looks actually pretty good as well. And her bust. Are those 2 going to be it for February? I think those 2 are the ones that's coming out for February. Next one is Bulkmancer script, another figure one as well. That's March Project. Then they already got Raphael. That's from Baldur's Gate as well. You got the bust for that. That's for March. Agus. Yeah, I already beat Persona 3 Reloaded, so check out the live stream I did on my secondary channel down link below. It was a very fun game. So I have Agus in her, forgot that form that you use. Shit. My mind is a bank. Another min one as well for Bulkmancer. You got High Elf Archer. I think that's for that's for January. This is going to be February. February, you have JoJo that's coming out. Don't know what the hell that is. 3 previous months. And you get your bonus and your promo as well. Warp Miniatures. Another cool D&D miniature. They do old school AD&D. We got some wraiths and some giant vultures they can ride on. And some undead horses as well. These are basically a wraith, or it could be a Nazgul one if you want to do your proxies for your Lord of the Ring tabletop as well. I don't know if anyone still plays with that, but that looks pretty damn cool. Azurma, another figure as well. Do they have anything out for February yet? Let's see, April main reward. Okay. Are they taking a break? I believe. Okay, February guest model. Spider Silk. This is going to be one of them, I guess. February. Shuten Doji, Wonder Woman, and Kohaku for your February that's coming out for this month. Next, Abby 3D, another figure as well. We have February prints set. So we have Tifa, and I think Psylocke will be the next one that's going to be coming up. And then I think there is a thing for, here we go, February. So here's your February release and your plus. Ivy, Chun-Li, Supergirl, forgot her name. Got Polaris, Scarlet Witch, Tifa, and Psylocke. That's coming in this February. And Sin 3D, we have, looks like Nina Tepuden. Don't know which anime she's from. And Fire Force Girl. I think that's February as well. I already got this. No, so this one is going to be for coming up. Anything else that we know that's coming up for February? Oh, your Tepuden. And so Seiyu Hitsugi will be your next month. Ren Toto, another figure. This will be the last one. I didn't have anything out for February for this month, but polls for this month, polls this month per character. So we'll have to wait on the link. You guys can go check them out. If you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care. Have a nice day.